I haven't hit it already, still working, I'm still learning, I'm still searching, finally earning something, finally turning something called a profit. If I hear you talking shit, don't get caught in it. I'll be popping off and hit your ass, dropping all your shit. Yeah, I promise this, I got promises, you ain't stopping this. Cross my shit, you'll be knocked unconscious, bitch. That's the consequence, I got this, I will not quit. Man, I'm on it, honest, I'm gonna launch quick, then I'm gone. It's just a matter of time before I'm over the climb and moving under my prime. Just quit my 9 to 5, I'm rocking, they watching, cause it's shocking. Dropping all these top 10 songs, so stopping. It's time to live my life, it's time to live my die. Wish I could slow down time and just enjoy the climb. And I'm the one to get it, bro. I swear to God I get it, bro. So don't just let me get it. Yeah.
Okay.
Let's go.
Okay, good. Yes. Okay, ออกไป Okay. Oh, tanah dah naik. Naik mana? Straight already. Okay, we go. Hold it first. Hold it. Okay. You guys stuck on the neck. Okay, guys stuck on the neck. Wait. Okay. Never mind. Okay, we stuck on the neck. Okay, we're going to pull one more. Okay, boat member clear. Okay, go chuan. Okay, chuan. Okay, you do. Okay. Yeah, you watch. Huh? No. Okay. Okay, the first one. I won't. Wait, I told you already. Okay. Yes. Okay. Bye. Okay. Stop. Okay. Hey, your drink. Okay. Okay. Go. Back now. Okay. Stay.
Oh, come on.
Stay.
Come on.
Yeah.
Oh, big. Yes!
Go on. Okay.
Okay. Bye, kanan. Okay. Bye. ออกไป Wait. ไปข้างหน้าOkay. ต่อทหารโอเคออกไปถอย That's how you know lah. There must be a technique man. We will panic with it. Okay. Tell. Okay. You're safe already. Whenever you are ready. Whenever you're ready. Oh, you got rope got rope. Never mind. Be safe. Oh, be careful. Oh, big one. We not small. I thought small. Bigger. Okay. Whenever you're ready. Whoa! Nice size. Open, release. Go. Woo! Nice size. Yeah. Okay, nice size. Fat. Oh, look at that, man.
My hands steady, I ready, but my legs heavy, I don't get it. How come I haven't hit it already? Still working, I'm still learning, I'm still searching, finally earning something, finally turning something called a profit. If I hear you talking shit, don't get caught in it. I'll be popping off and hit your ass, dropping all your shit. Yeah, I promise this, I got promises.